Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best clear coat for headlights you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best clear coat for headlights in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Meguiar's Keep Clear Headlight Coating. It enhances the visual appeal of headlights by keeping them crystal clear, contributing to both safety and the overall appearance of the vehicle. Applying this coating is a straightforward process. Simply clean and dry your headlights, spray the product evenly, and allow it to dry. The aerosol design ensures even coverage and reduces application time. This product excels at maintaining headlight clarity for an extended period. The protective coating effectively prevents yellowing and haze caused by UV rays, which is especially useful for drivers in sunny or harsh climates, suitable for both restored and new headlights, helping to preserve clarity and prevent future damage. Provides up to 1 year of defense against UV damage, oxidation, and yellowing. The aerosol spray is simple to apply, making it a convenient option for DIYers. Creates a strong, protective layer that withstands environmental exposure. Our second best clear coat for headlights is Sylvania Headlight Restoration. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Essentials Kit is a practical and effective solution for restoring sun-damaged and cloudy headlights. It focuses on applying UV-blocking clear coat as the most crucial step to ensure long-lasting results. With its compact size, 1 fluid ounce, this kit is ideal for anyone looking for an easy, reliable way to rejuvenate their vehicle's headlights and improve visibility. The restored headlights look significantly clearer, providing better illumination and enhancing the vehicle's appearance. The UV protection layer effectively prevents yellowing and oxidation, ensuring the clarity lasts longer than standard restoration methods. Once applied, the UV block clear coat holds up well against environmental factors, maintaining headlight clarity for months. The kit's step-by-step process is easy to execute. The surface activator ensures proper surface preparation, while the UV block clear coat applies smoothly, providing a professional-looking finish. The instructions are clear, making it simple to achieve great results even for first-time users. Offers durable protection to maintain clarity for an extended period. Forms a protective barrier to guard against UV rays and prevent reoxidation. Straightforward process suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Prepares the headlight surface for optimal adhesion of the clear coat. A small 1 fluid ounce bottle is sufficient for restoring multiple headlights, great for people who prefer restoring. Third pick in our list is Chemical Guy's Headlight Restore. The difference is noticeable almost immediately. Hazy, yellowed headlights regain a like-new clarity, improving both the appearance and functionality of the vehicle. The protective coating adds a glossy finish and guards against future damage. The formula is easy to apply with minimal effort. Using a microfiber applicator, the product buffs smoothly onto the surface, quickly cutting through haze and oxidation. It also doesn't require extensive sanding, making it beginner-friendly. The protective layer holds up well over time, reducing the need for frequent reapplication. While regular maintenance may be required in harsh climates, the product provides lasting results for most users, restores clarity to yellowed or hazy headlights, provides a protective coating to prevent future oxidation and UV damage, comes in a large 16 fluid ounces bottle, ideal for multiple applications, works on a variety of vehicles and types of clear plastic, including headlights, tail lights, and more. Requires no complicated tools or machinery, just a microfiber towel or applicator pad. The Chemical Guy's GAP 11516 Headlight Restore and Protect is a reliable and effective product for restoring and preserving headlight clarity. Its ease of use, impressive results, and affordability make it a standout option for vehicle owners and detailing enthusiasts. While additional tools may be required, the results are worth the effort, and the long-lasting protection adds great value. Number 4 in our side is Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint. The Rust-Oleum 334029 Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint is a fantastic product for achieving a smooth, glossy finish on a wide variety of surfaces. The superior coverage, quick-drying formula, and long-lasting durability make it a go-to choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. While the odor and the 12-ounce size might be minor drawbacks, the overall performance and quality make this spray paint highly recommended for many types of projects. The spray nozzle is easy to use, and the paint sprays evenly without clogging. The 12-ounce can provide sufficient coverage for small to medium-sized projects, with no need for multiple coats, thanks to its superior coverage. The gloss-clear finish is vibrant and glossy, and it does not streak or leave uneven spots when applied correctly. The high gloss finish delivers a polished, professional look that can transform furniture, decor, and outdoor items. It adds an attractive shine and enhances the color of the surface beneath. The gloss effect is consistent and smooth, without being overly reflective. Once dry, the finish is tough, resistant to wear, and can withstand light impacts and scratches. Last in our best clear coat for headlights list is Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Once applied, the headlights look remarkably clearer and brighter. The kit effectively removes oxidation, yellowing, and fogginess, making the headlights look brand new. The clarity of the lights is significantly improved, which also enhances visibility while driving at night. The Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is impressively user-friendly. The instructions are clear, and the process is easy to follow. Even first-time users will find it simple to apply, with no special tools required. The ceramic coating provides a level of protection that other restoration kits lack. Unlike other products that only offer temporary results, the Cerakote kit ensures that the headlights stay clear for an extended period, making it a more cost-effective solution in the long run. It resists UV rays and moisture, preventing future yellowing or haziness. The kit includes everything needed for a complete headlight restoration, including the cleaning and polishing agents as well as the ceramic coating.